Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Sony Alpha a6400, a versatile mirrorless camera that has gained a reputation as a go-to choice for photographers, videographers, and content creators. Whether you're looking to level up your photography game or create professional quality video content, this camera packs impressive features in a compact body. Let's break down the design, performance, features, and who this camera is best suited for, so you can decide if the Sony Alpha a6400 is the right choice for you. Starting with the design, the Sony Alpha a6400 strikes a balance between portability and functionality. It features a durable magnesium alloy body that is lightweight yet robust enough to handle everyday wear and tear. Weighing just over 400 grams, this camera is easy to carry around, making it an ideal companion for travel, street photography, and vlogging. The grip is comfortable and well-suited for extended use, even for users with larger hands. The controls are thoughtfully laid out, with customizable buttons that allow you to tailor the camera's functions to your shooting style. This makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. The a6400 also includes a built-in electronic viewfinder with a 2.36 million dot resolution, providing a clear and detailed preview of your shots. Additionally, the 3-inch touchscreen LCD tilts 180 degrees upward, making it perfect for selfies and vlogging, as well as 74 degrees downward for overhead shooting. The screen is bright and responsive, but it lacks full articulation, which could be a limitation for some users. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The Sony Alpha a6400 is powered by a 24.2 megapixel APS-C XMOR CMOS sensor paired with the Bionz X image processor. This combination delivers exceptional image quality with rich detail, accurate colors, and impressive dynamic range. The camera excels in both still photography and video thanks to its advanced processing power and efficient noise reduction. It performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions, with an ISO range of 100 to 32,000, expandable up to 102,400. This means you can capture clear and detailed images even in challenging lighting environments. One of the standout features of the a6400 is its autofocus system. It boasts 425 phase detection and contrast detection points, covering approximately 84% of the image area. The autofocus is incredibly fast and accurate, locking onto subjects in as little as 0.02 seconds. It also includes Sony's acclaimed real-time IAF and real-time tracking, which are game changers for portrait and action photography. These features use AI to detect and track human and animal eyes, ensuring your subject stays sharp and in focus, even when in motion. The a6400 is also a strong contender for video creators. It supports 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, oversampled from 6K to deliver sharper and more detailed footage. The camera records in Sony's S-Log2, S-Log3, and HLG profiles, offering greater flexibility in post-production for color grading. If you're into slow motion, the camera can shoot full HD at up to 120 frames per second, allowing you to capture smooth and dramatic slow-motion clips. For vloggers, the camera's microphone input is a welcome addition, enabling high-quality audio capture. However, it lacks a headphone jack for audio monitoring, which could be a drawback for more advanced users. Another potential limitation is the absence of in-body image stabilization, meaning you'll need to rely on lenses with optical stabilization or a gimbal for smooth handheld footage. When it comes to connectivity, the Sony Alpha a6400 has you covered. It features built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC, making it easy to transfer photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet. The Sony Imaging Edge mobile app allows for remote shooting and camera control, adding convenience for those who like to shoot from a distance or create time-lapse videos. Battery life is another important consideration, and the a6400 performs admirably in this area. It uses the NPFW 50 battery, providing up to 360 shots per charge when using the viewfinder or 410 shots when using the LCD screen. While this is sufficient for most day-to-day shooting scenarios, carrying a spare battery is advisable for extended shoots or video recording sessions. Now that we've covered the key features, let's talk about the pros and cons to help you decide if the Sony Alpha a6400 fits your needs. First, the pros. The a6400 delivers outstanding image and video quality, thanks to its advanced sensor and processing engine. The autofocus system is among the best in its class, offering fast and accurate performance with innovative features like real-time IAF. The camera is lightweight, durable, and versatile, making it a great choice for a wide range of shooting scenarios. Its 4K video capabilities and professional color profiles are a huge plus for videographers, and the tilting touchscreen LCD is perfect for vlogging and creative angles. Lastly, the connectivity options and intuitive app make it easy to share and control your content on the go. Now for the cons. The lack of in-body image stabilization might be a deal-breaker for some users, especially those focused on handheld video work. While the autofocus system is impressive, the absence of a fully articulating screen limits flexibility for certain shooting situations. The battery life, while decent, could be better, particularly for heavy video users. Additionally, the camera lacks a headphone jack, which is an oversight for those who prioritize audio quality in their video projects. So, who is the Sony Alpha a6400 best suited for? This camera is ideal for enthusiasts and semi-professionals who want a compact yet powerful device that excels in both photography and videography. It's a fantastic option for vloggers and content creators who prioritize portability and image quality, as well as for photographers looking for a reliable tool for travel, portraits, or action shots. However, if you need features like in-body stabilization or advanced audio monitoring, you might want to explore other options in Sony's lineup or competitors. To sum up, the Sony Alpha a6400 is a powerhouse in a small package, delivering professional-level features at a competitive price point. Whether you're capturing stunning stills, shooting cinematic videos, or creating engaging vlogs, this camera has the tools to bring your creative vision to life. If you're in the market for a versatile and capable mirrorless camera, the Sony Alpha a6400 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in. If you're thinking about getting the Sony Alpha a6400 or have questions about its features, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews and tech insights. See you in the next video.